that was something. I mean, you win some, you lose some, you know, like. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today your girl is going to be trying out some new makeup products, and I'm high-key excited because as you guys know, like, I've been loving makeup more and more, and definitely follow me on Instagram for more makeup videos. I tend to be a bit more active on there now compared to YouTube, just because honestly guys, I just feel like it's a lot less work when it comes to editing videos and all that fun stuff. But yeah, so I'm still on here, I'm still posting, you know, still gonna be pumping out content for you guys and all that fun stuff. So yeah, so if you guys are curious to the products that I will be talking about today, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. And yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so basically I did a little bit of shopping on Amazon just because I have Amazon Prime, and why am I going to sit up here and have Amazon Prime if I'm not going to be productive and use it, basically. So the first item that I picked up is the Juno & Co. Microfiber Velvet Sponge, latex free, dual layer technology, flawless makeup blender for foundation, powders, and creams. And then in parentheses it says holiday bundle. I'll definitely leave a link down below for you guys of each and every item that I did buy. So basically I'm just gonna be applying the rest of my makeup on. As you guys can clearly see, I already did my eyes just because none of the products that I use on my eyes are new, and that's again what this video is basically focused on. So what I'm gonna do is, first and foremost, oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys how much it is. So for the foundation brush, which this is this here, I do really like first impressions, I do really like how dense the brush is. I really like that, and I just love how thick it is. So it's definitely, I feel like it's definitely gonna be easy to kind of just blend out my foundation with this. So I'm excited about this. So that's one thing that I got from them, and everything all together, the brush and then also the two sponges that I got from them was $16.99. So I feel as though that was really good. So the first sponge that I got is like the traditional like beauty blender sponge. As you guys can see, that's what that looks like. So I like it. It definitely does feel different. Like, I definitely do feel the difference between this and like my other beauty blenders. So I'm really excited to try this out because a lot of people have been talking about it. A lot of people have been saying that they like how it gives you like an airbrush finish. And that's definitely the look that I'm going for, just because I love dewy makeup type looks. So definitely I'm going to be enjoying this. And then I got another sponge that's basically the exact same thing. And then this one, basically, I feel as though this one's definitely better when it comes to applying. Like, if you're baking your face or if you're just setting your concealer, I definitely feel like this will be the sponge that I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this sponge to do my foundation and blend that in. Well, I'm going to use the brush first, and then I'm going to use the sponge. And then for my powders, I'm just going to use this sponge just to kind of use everything, just to kind of see how everything kind of coincides together. Hopefully it'll turn out right. I mean, I don't see why not. So yeah, y'all don't understand how excited I am to dip into these products. This stuff has literally been sitting at my makeup station for like a week now. Like, I just kept pushing off doing this video, and I don't know why. I guess I'm just being low-key lazy. And plus, y'all know how it's like Memorial Day weekend. Y'all out and about doing stuff. I wanted to vlog, but then I'm just like, nah. I'm like, let me just enjoy the moment. Plus, I went to like a public pool, and I was like, yo, let me tell y'all a little story. This isn't really even gonna be a story. This is basically me just talking to kind of fill up time, but I thought my phone was stolen. Now, one thing that you guys will learn about me, that I absolutely hate thieves. I hate thieves more than I hate liars. Like, if you steal from me, I will dead want to put you off a cliff. So when I thought my phone was stolen, I was like, where's my phone? Because we're at a public pool. And then on top of that, you know how all these pools and all these different places be like, oh, if your stuff gets lost or stolen, we're not responsible for it, blah, 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 blah. So I'm over here like, where the heck is my phone? We ended up finding it. It ended up being like a random little corner in my other friend's bag. And I'm just like, oh, okay. Your girl is very impressed. If anybody was curious, this is about the amount of product that I did pick up on the brush. So you do see some product, but I feel like it's very little compared to like the older beauty blenders that I was using. So I feel like that's pretty good. It's okay. I'm not mad at it. Like, I feel like it definitely gave me the coverage that I needed. It's not like I gotta re-dip into my foundation again, so I'm good. So all I did was just wet it. It did get a tad bit bigger, So that's good. I mean, I'm not too pressed on the size as long as it works. But I'm basically just gonna use that to go over my foundation again, just to make sure, yeah. But yeah, so far, this is really good. No complaints. I can definitely say though is this dries up very quickly. Like compared to my other beauty blenders, this dries up really fast. Which again, isn't really a big problem because I have a little Tupperware thing to the left of me so I can just dip into some more water, but and this is about how much product came in with the beauty blender. So again, it's not bad. It's not like it literally stripped my whole face of my foundation. So that's good. I can definitely say too, I really like the way it blended out my concealer as well. Like, okay. Okay, y'all can see what I'm seeing, right? Or at least I hope you guys can, but yo, you know what? I don't know why I did not decide to get this sooner. Like, so the next item that I picked up is the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana. Now, I only paid $6.87 for this. And this is basically what you get. I mean, it is a lot of product in my opinion, because again, like I don't use a crazy amount of powder when I do set my face. I don't even bake, to be honest with you guys. I do like one single layer and that's pretty much it. So I did cheat a little bit. This isn't like me first opening it up because I did have to peel the little John that came with it. But I did want to kind of like see like how the powder felt and how soft it was and the smell, because your girl's impatient and I don't want to wait. But yeah, one thing about this, like when you first open it, look at that. Can y'all see that? All that just dust and air that kind of just went into the atmosphere just now. Like this definitely, and I thought the Makeup Revolution one was messy. So I'm really excited just because like I don't know how well you guys can see it on camera, but it's not giving me like Casper vibes. It's giving me like nice like golden honey type vibes. So I'm really excited about that. So what I'm going to be doing is using the other sponge that has a more flatter surface, and I'm basically just going to be placing that underneath all the places that I put my initial concealer. Okay, all the places that I put the concealer. I don't know why I had the illest brain fart just now. I was dead sitting here like, wait, what's it called? Because I wanted to say highlight, but it's technically not highlight, it's concealer. But basically all the places that I put the concealer, I'm just gonna put this on. Now the fact that I have two different sponges, I really do like, because all I gotta do is go like this to make sure I blend that in so I have as least creasing as humanly possible, because that is one of my major issues on my face is the creasing. And then I'm just gonna plop this bad boy So this is about how much product is left on the beauty blender. As you guys can see, it does look like I did pick up some foundation or maybe some concealer. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, so it does pick up a lot of product, which is, again, it's not a deal breaker for me. But again, for anybody that wanted to know, there's your answer. I do like how smooth it is. I do like how it gave me like that mattifying effect that you're supposed to have after you set your face. So I do like the powder. Again, I really do like the fact that it has a little bit more of like a yellow golden tint than the Makeup Revolution does. Like when I think of banana powder, I think of yellow. I think of golden. You know what I'm saying? And I really do feel as though it did deliver. I feel as though it set my concealer in place very, very, very well. And again, it feels super smooth, nothing crazy or anything like that. So I do definitely like the powder, and I will recommend for you guys to use it. Now, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, let me try to do the flash test and see if this gives me flashback, because now I'm honestly curious. So I don't know why I did that. Y'all remember the commercials back in the day where like clap on, clap off? I wish I had that because your girl's lazy. I gotta get up and turn the lights off and then get up and then turn the lights back on again. But it's fine because for the sake of this video and for the sake of this review on these products, I'm doing this for y'all, okay? I'm doing it for you guys. That was something. I mean, you win some, you lose some. You know, like, I only paid like $7 for it, so I mean, it looks fine. It's just you better not get caught at a nightclub with people taking pictures wearing this. But other than that, I mean, for a day look, yes. But if I'm going out at night and people are taking pictures of me and flash is gonna be involved, no sir, no ma'am. So yeah, I just would not recommend putting the setting powder on your face if you know you're going out for like an event at night. Like if you're just doing like a daytime look, then it's fine, but for at night, it's an absolute no-no. Do not do it. You will look crazy with the flashback. Please do not be looking like some of these influencers that be going to these nightlife events looking a hot mess with their flashbacks, looking like they're from the Will Tori from Twilight. You don't want that. So moving on to the next product. So the next thing I picked up was the Black Radiance again, and this time I got the True Complexion Cream Contour Palette, and I got it in the shade light to medium because I already have a medium to deep contour shade contour kit, which is my Cover Fix, which I'm at, or Cover FX, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. But I saw Annihilator use this in a lot of her videos, and I'm like, yo, like, I love how cute and natural her makeup looks. So I was like, let me pick this up. So basically, these are what the colors look like in the light to medium. As you guys can see, cute, simple. Now I didn't use the contour, but I basically like rub my finger in it just to kind of get like an idea of the consistency and whatnot. Because again, I like picking at stuff. So basically it's saying application guide, contour, sculpt, illuminate. So it's telling me I need a contour like my hairline, the side of my nose, along my cheekbones, and my jawline. So I'm basically just gonna go on with that contour shade. Definitely, I absolutely love the subtleness of the contour on my nose, just because honestly, me contouring my nose has never been really an issue for me, just because I don't know, I feel like my nose is perfect just the way it is. It's weird, but whatever. Actually, no, it's not weird. Be proud of your natural features, sis. But anyways, like, I typically forget, like, if I'm not shooting on camera, I will dead forget to contour my nose. Like, if I'm going somewhere quick and I'm not shooting, I will dead forget. I don't know why. It's just, it's something I'm not really focused on. And even when I do remember to contour, I try my hardest to not make it too harsh. And I love how I didn't have to go super light-handed and be super like cautious. Like, I feel like this is definitely, as of now, like my perfect contour shade. Again, I'm gonna get dark because I'm one of those light-skinned females. I'll literally be 2 shades darker than Casper during the winter, but then I'll get a tan just like that and go and get super dark to the point where some of y'all might be thinking, yo, why she adding her filters to make herself look darker, make herself look lighter? Like, nah, sis, it's just because I naturally just get really like all melanin rich. Like, look at my chest, look at my shoulders. Like, just off of me swimming for like 3-4 hours, I already got this dark. Your girl's excited because I love my melanin skin, okay? And nobody can tell me nothing. Again, I don't know how I got into this long tangent, but let that just be known. All right, guys, so time for my second favorite part, or maybe my third favorite part of me doing my makeup. I don't know. But anyway, so now it's time to highlight. So I'm going to be using my regular brush that I usually do to do my highlight. So hopefully this turns out okay. I've never had a cream highlight before. Like, I usually do either like a liquid or in most cases a powder. Ooh, wait a minute. Hold on. I ain't mad at it. I'm a little shocked at how quick that kind of popped up, but I'm not mad at it. Go out and get this palette. Go out and get this palette. And it's funny, I've been talking about this palette for what, like 5 minutes. I completely forgot. This was $6.48. Now apparently it has like, it's like a sale or like a discount or something right now, so I'm not sure if it's gonna say this price. Now it does say the listed price is $6.99, so it's not a big difference. But yeah, again, this is extremely affordable as well, especially because again, you're getting, or at least for me, I got a contour shade and a highlighter. I didn't realize the highlighter was gonna be as good as it is. Like, can y'all see that? Shing, you know, like, okay. I mean, look, like I said before, I am most definitely am not mad at it. This is very nice. This is very enjoyable. Like, I am very satisfied. I am a happy camper. Alright guys, so last but definitely not least, I did pick up another NYX Butter Gloss because I'm absolutely obsessed with this liquid gloss so freaking much. And I got her, I don't know exactly how to pronounce the name, so I'm not about to sit up here and try to pronounce it for like 10 minutes. So, but basically she is in the, this gloss is in the color BLG04. I'll leave all the information down below for you guys. Now I actually did pick this up at Walmart when I went to go get a couple things. So this was $5 like it basically is at Ulta, Walmart, the official NYX website. Also, like, I wanted like a pink liquid lip gloss just because again summer's coming up. So let me just plop this on and see how this looks by itself. Now honestly, out of all the liquid lipsticks I have, Praline from NYX Butter Gloss is the only liquid lipstick that I don't have to apply a lip liner with. So I like it. It's just, you know, it's not really vibing with the current eyeshadow look that I'm wearing, but I do like it. I feel like it does pop up a bit more dramatic on camera than it does in person, but again, it's a pretty color. I'm definitely going to be using this like when I do like really like bright pinks or like even bright blue eyeshadow looks. But again, for this current eyeshadow look, it's not really bumping together as of the way it is now in its natural state. But with no lip liner or nothing like that, it still looks pretty good. I still like it. I mean, again, it's the same consistency and everything as the other ones are. Now, out of curiosity, I am gonna try to put a brown lip liner just to see how the color is gonna look. So 1 second. I don't think me applying the brown lip liner made a big difference. I feel like it definitely does make my lips look a bit more plump, but other than that, I don't think it really changed the color too much. So I mean, it's fine. Again, I have no problem with the way the color is in its natural state, but it's not really banging with the eyeshadow look, so it's making me not like it. But I know that I'm gonna like it if I pair it with something else. So yeah, there's that. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the video. So those are the couple of products that I just tried out and kind of got all in one, like all at once. So it's kind of like a bulk type of thing. I don't freaking know. 4 to 5 makeup products to me buying at one time is a lot. So yeah, so actually I do love every single product that I did get, and I definitely will be implementing those products into my everyday makeup routine or even my glam makeup routine, all that fun stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl once again. And yeah, show some girl, you know, show your girl some love and whatnot, and just, you know, watch some other videos that I have to offer and all that good fun stuff. And I will definitely see you guys in my next one.